Hey guys, it's Ben and Sarah here for Escape the Echo Chamber with Neil's Cat and Ben, and today we are at Emerald. And yeah, so we're here checking out the Botanic Gardens. They've got this massive windmill here. We've seen a few of them along the highway, and I think Mitchell had one the same in their CBD. So yeah, there's big windmills around. Let's go see what else the Botanic Gardens has. Then we'll do a lap of the town and see the CBD, and then find out
really nice
what
so
else
far.
we can look at around here. Yeah, oh yeah, it's all really nice so far. So yeah, it's pretty cool. They've got it all broken up into like sections. There's like a rainforest section, and there's a Carnarvon Gorge section, and a Black Downs Tableland section. And yeah, we went past the Western Australian section before, and a couple other bits. So yeah,
I smelled a batty kind of smell.
yeah, there's definitely bats. Oh yeah, wow, they're all here. So we're in the rainforest, and like you felt the temperature drop and humidity come up and everything. So like they've done an awesome job of this rainforest. And there's bats.
Oh my god.
Bats everywhere. And they didn't like that. They're like, go away, Ben. Alright, we're going. Oh man. There's a whipbird right there somewhere. I can't, is that him?
He's still there.
Yeah, that's him there. And I didn't bring me good camera. Oh.
He was actually making the whip sound.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's really cool. I've wanted to see one of them for so long. You'd never think it was a bird that was that little, and it makes such a cool sound. Yeah, wow, the rainforest bit here is like so good.
But yeah, wow.
They got the whipbird, like you'd think
That's
you're
authentic. Yeah, you think you're at Mulaney.
Yeah, it's awesome. Check out this weird paper bark. Someone's like stripped all the outside bark off it. But like they haven't left it. They've taken most of it anyway, and it's all like smashed up. But then what's really cool is these claw marks in it up here, because it's all been like freshly done. You can see all the claw marks, and then the whole tree up there is just like torn to shreds.
It's all like spongy, like foam, hey?
Yeah. Yeah, it's weird as. It's like the whole thing's been stripped of bark. Because even there where it changes, that's just like, the bark's just been even more like ripped off it.
Someone doing like a DIY paper mill or...
I don't know. I'd love to know what makes these marks, if you know. It's probably a lizard, but I'd rather if it was a koala. Sarah just found these two weird bugs like wrestling. Yeah, wow, I've never seen anything like them. We've seen some of the strangest bugs the last few days, and weird big bee looking flies hovering around and stuff. Wow. You can see like one's the female, the bigger one on the bottom I'm guessing, and the male's the littler one on the top. I don't know what they are. They look like giant ticks or something. Like,
Well, no, we don't like ticks.
Oh wow, there's like a little threesome going on there. What the hell?
There's a lot going on.
Yeah, wow. Wow. Try and spot the giant turtles. Did you see them? There's one over there. There's three there. One there. And that's all I can see for the moment. Bearded dragon sitting on the log here. Hey mate. I think he doesn't mind when we get up a bit close. Filling up. He's a bit of a stumpy tail. Hey, what are you doing? What's in your mouth? Oh, he's a flying lizard.
Oh wow.
He's off. This tree's pretty cool, eh? I've never seen one that I can remember. It's called a batswing coral tree, because the bark looks like coral, I'm guessing, and the leaves look like Batswings, I guess. Yeah, it's weird as. I have heard of it before, but I've never actually seen one. Wow, there's a train. Like, we've followed so many rail tracks and things, and that's the first train we've seen for so long. Wow.
Outback train, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. We've followed the rail track for like 1,000 kilometres or more out to Charlieville, and we heard the train once when we were camped one night, but never saw it. So yeah, train still goes to Emerald. That's pretty cool. Wow, check out the old bridge. It looks like it was used well past its expiration date. This was like a major route as well, because they call like this section of town the crossroads, because there's like 2 highways come in from that end and then join into this road, and then 2 highways leave out the other end. So this is like a very busy bit of road. We haven't seen a bit of road this busy since we were in Bundaberg.
No.
So, and I don't know if you know Bundaberg, but like the traffic there is getting absolutely shocking. Ask people who live at Bargara. Why replace the whole pillar when only half of it broke? Yeah, well, they got a cool floating bridge, and even the old bridge is kind of floating a bit. Check that out. Oh. And I bet when it floods, it floats as well on the flood water. That's probably why it hasn't fallen down. So the floating bridge is pretty cool. You can like make waves and stuff on it, and you get a mad view of the old bridge and the train bridge. Right, so here's where we camped last night, under the railway bridge. And you're not really supposed to camp here. You're actually supposed to camp just back up there. But yeah, like there's not much difference as long as you don't get in the locals' way who want to use the Botanic Gardens here. And yeah, check out old mate's rig, man. That thing is awesome. I don't even know why he needs the caravan. The truck looks decked out as. So yeah, we're gonna go and have a look in town and check out the CBD. Right, so yeah, welcome to Main Street Emerald, and yeah, it's pretty nice so far. There's nothing special. It's just I don't know, it's a bit tight for an average Queensland Main Street, but yeah, it's got everything you need. Look, here's the coppers here. Here's their car, and back over here, like John Edwards' chemist. So you can like talk to your dead grandma and stuff, and help diagnose you with stuff. Right, so we've gone down the back street, now we've circled back around and we're coming down the highway past the train station, which is really cool. We drove past it yesterday. Yeah, so the train station here is cool as, and it's been there since 1900, and the government hasn't come and pulled the line up yet on them. So that's pretty cool. Like most of these little sort of out west towns that have the rail line and the old station, but no trains. Across the road is this really cool Irish pub. So yeah, I guess it's all green and emerald, eh? It's like Emerald City. Yeah. And then like even the glass on the train station, it's all emerald. So yeah, it's mad as. They should have put in a yellow brick road. That would have been awesome. This is pretty cool. On the side of this Old Town Barbers, they've got this mad big mural down the side. Yeah, it's really cool, eh? Alright, so we made it to the information centre. They have a bit of a little pioneer village and cottage out the back we'll get to have a look at, and this cool sculpture coming up, and then over there's another cool scar tree. There's a sculpture of the lizard we saw before. It's pretty cool. He's a beast. Yeah, the information place was pretty interesting. Here's a big scar tree behind it. It's a big scar, that one. And over there's the big easel. Yeah. The guy in the information place here was really interesting to talk to. He knows his stuff. And yeah, it was really cool. I found a bit about Maverna Hills where we were yesterday at Springshore, asking about the Aboriginal stuff. And yeah, they were all like, no, there is none at all on private property. Well, right here on the National Parks thing, it says about the rock art and some stone scatters. And like, well, nobody at Springshaw is going to tell you about them. So yeah, try and get on national parks and find out from them. Right, so we've got a plan now. I'm going to go find our camp spot at this caravan park and have some power and some good water pressure for the night. And then tomorrow we're going to go out to the gem fields and we're going to try and find a sapphire and hopefully go on like a mine tour and things like that, and it should be epic. So yeah, we will see you then.